Okay, so our last question is question number 10. It says triangle cat has the following vertices: C at 4, 5, A at 7, 6, and T at 8, 2. They want you to first graph CAT. So for C, I'm going over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5. Then I'm going to graph A, which is over 7, up 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for T, I'm going over 8, up 2. From here, I'm going to connect all my dots to form my triangle. Okay. For part B, it says graph CAT prime after a reflection over the y-axis. So I'm going to locate where the y-axis is. And I want you to graph CAT after a reflection over the y. So if I'm folding this image over the y, it's going to be in this quadrant. So I want to count how far C is away from the y. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it's 4 to the right, I want to go 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And call that C prime. Same thing for A. If it is 7 to the right, I want to go 7 to the left. I'm going to call that A prime. And for T, I'm going to do the same thing. If T is 8 to the right, I want to go 8 to the left. And again, I want to connect all the dots to form my triangle. And then it says state the coordinates. So C is going to be at -4, 5. A is at -7, 6. And T is at -8, 2. The next part says graph triangle C double prime, A double prime, T double prime, which is the image of our new triangle C prime, A prime, T prime, after a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise. Remember, 90 degrees is one time, 270 and 180 are our others. So if 90 is one time, 180 is two times, 270 is a 3-time rotation. But for this problem, we want 90 degrees. And we should know that counterclockwise means turn your paper to the left. So right now you are physically turning your paper to the left. So when you turn it to the left, your graph should look like that, your pieces of paper. So from here, what I want you to do is on the side of the paper, again, I can't really write it on the side because my top piece didn't turn, but I'm going to want you to take this triangle right here and just write down the new coordinates. So C double prime would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, and then down -4. A prime, double prime, we're looking at A prime for. So I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just kidding, 6. I'm going down 6, then down 7. And then lastly, for T prime, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to the left 2, so -2. And my y coordinate is going to be down 8, so -8. And then from here, what you want to do is take your graph, turn it back. At this point, you would write these points in the correct spot and then graph it as is. So C double prime would be at -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 4. A double prime would be at -6, -7. And then lastly, T would be -2, down 8. And then we're connecting it to form our triangle.